almost Christmas. My name is Travis Noel.
I'm Jesse Napier.
And I'm Sean.
And I'm Michael. Together, we make up the greatest grape-eating band in all the land.
Because we're gonna eat your grapes.
And we have awesome stage presence.
By the way, we didn't really get a response.
We figured you guys are pussies.
Yeah.
Pussies.
Pussies?
Great pussy.
Yeah. We stole something.
To make you give us a response, we
stole it.
captured,
Not Alexa.
not Alexa, captured one of your members.
Yeah.
Guess who?
I'll
That's
give you a hint. It has...
That! That is your hint! That is your only hint! Yeah. We want a response in the next 3 days.
And when you figure out who that is, you can make a video response.
And then we'll get wasted.
Off grapes.
Grapes.
Your other hint is it's not Alexa.
Yeah.
What are the rules for the grape eating contest? We forgot.
Look at
They
our
have
first
to be-
video.
They have to be almost Christmas colored.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost Christmas colored grapes.
Now it's playing my face.
We hate this music. It follows us everywhere! Look at Graham! Look at him!
He's happy!
Slap him.
No. Turn it off.
Sorry, Sean.
Turn it off.
Look at him. Look at him.
Just turn it off.
Man, Michael, turn the fucking camera off.